Hey guys, welcome to Login Helps. Today I'll be showing you how to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete your Instagram account on your iPhone, first open up your Instagram app and make sure to log into the account which you want to delete. And now to proceed from here to delete your Instagram account, you can see the profile picture icon or the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on there, and after that you'll be on this section of your profile, and on over here at the top right corner of this section or your profile section, there is the three-lined icon available for us. Tap on that three-lined icon, and after that you can see the settings and privacy option available for us. Simply tap on the settings and privacy, and over here guys you can see the account center option available for us at the top of the list. In order to delete our Instagram account, simply tap on the account center first, and after that guys you can see the personal details option available for us on the account center. Simply tap on that personal details, and over here guys on the personal details section of our Instagram account, you can see the account ownership and control option available for us. Simply tap on that account ownership and control, and over here guys you will be able to spot the deactivate or deletion of your Instagram account. Simply tap on the deactivation or deletion, and over here guys tap on Instagram again. And now to delete your account guys, you can see the toggle icon turn blue on the deactivate account. Currently you will be required to tap on the delete account, and the toggle up icon will be turned blue on the delete account. And after that tap on continue, and over here guys you will be required to choose why do you want to delete your Instagram account. Let's go with something else, and after that tap on continue, but you can choose any reason you like. And with that being said, let's tap on continue, and over here guys you'll be required to enter your password of your Instagram account. And after that, after entering your password of your Instagram account, simply tap on continue, and then your account will be deleted. And there guys, this is how you delete your Instagram account on your iPhone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.